Embark on a journey inward with Sifu Mark Rasmus, your guide into the heart of Tai Chi. Unlock ancient wisdom with over 200 transformative lessons, diving deep into the core of internal martial arts. From the foundational 5 loosening exercises to the intricate 37 short forms, your path to mastery unfolds. Discover the art of push hands, intrinsic energies, and self-defense. With content refreshed regularly, keeping your practice alive and your spirit engaged. This isn't just movement, it is a voyage into vitality, tranquility, and profound strength. For just $60 a month or $360 a year, gain instant, unlimited access to secrets honed over 3 decades, now available at your fingertips on any device at any time. Ready to transcend your limits with Tai Chi? Join us. The internal realm awaits your step. Begin your journey with Sifu Mark Rasmus today.